And today we're looking at emotional safety because without emotional safety, love simply cannot thrive. So, safety means I can bring all of myself. When we feel safe in a relationship with somebody, we can bring all of ourselves to the relationship. When we don't feel safe, we hold back parts of ourselves, our thoughts, our feelings, our intuitions, our senses. Um, so, my fears, my truths, my dreams, all of those. And I know I won't be ridiculed or dismissed. That kind of safety is the soft landing place of love. And every one of us can learn to create it. So today, I want you to just ask yourself, how safe does my partner feel with me? And what could I do to deepen that safety? So once again, how safe does my partner feel with me? And you might want to ask that, and you might want to consider for yourself, how safe do I feel with my partner? So comments below. Thank you. Bye for now.